students of class 10. Today I am going to explain Geography chapter 1, Resources and their development. Today I will explain two topics of the chapter. Number 1, definition of resource. Number 2, types of resources. First, definition of resource. Everything available in our environment which satisfy our requirements directly or indirectly is called resource. In other words, all things which fulfill our needs, which satisfy our wants directly or indirectly are called resource. For example, land, air, water, vegetation, solar energy, wind energy, etc. Types. There are many types of resources. On the basis of origin, resources are divided into two parts. Number 1, biotic resource, and number 2, abiotic resource. Biotic resources are those resources which are derived from living things. For example, plants, animals, trees, etc. Abiotic resources are those resources which are derived from non-living things. For example, land, air, water, etc. On the basis of exhaustivity or renewability, there are two types of resources. Number 1, renewable resource. Number 2, non-renewable resource. Renewable resources are those resources which renew themselves by natural process without any human effort. For example, solar energy, wind energy, water, etc. Non-renewable resources are those resources which do not renew by themselves by natural process. They are exhausted. When we use them, they are finished. For example, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. On the basis of ownership, there are 4 types of resources. Number 1, private resource. Number 2, public resource. Number 3, national resource. And number 4, international resource. Private resource is that which is owned by an individual person. For example, personal land, car, building, etc. Public resource is that which is used by people of whole community. For example, park, railway station, transport system, communications, etc. National resource is that which is owned by government of a country, like forest, land, etc. International resources are those which are shared by all countries of the world, like ocean, atmosphere, etc. Next, on the basis of a status of development, there are 4 types of resources. Number 1, potential resource. Number 2, a stock. Number 3, developed. Number 4, reserve. Potential resource is that which is available in our environment but we are not utilizing at present. For example, forest resource, mineral resource, etc. A stock is that resource which is available in our resources in our environment and we are using them but partly using them because of lack of technology. We shall use such resources in future. For example, water resource. We use water as a resource but we do not use hydrogen present in the water. So water is the example of stock. Developed. Developed resource is that which is being utilized at present, like land, air, water, minerals, etc. Reserve. Reserve is that type of resource which are not being utilized at present but we can use them in future. Thank you. Now you should like, share and subscribe.